My tits fell out of my top. Okay, put them back in here. Good titties. Screw you. Hey guys, I am back with another sit down video. I feel like I haven't done these videos in so long, like where I just sit down and do something. Like I've been kind of filming vlogs, kind of doing more different stuff, but also like I feel like I haven't been filming that much this past month while on lockdown, you know, quarantine, you know, we're all there. I hope you guys are doing okay considering what's going on, and in that regard I hope that this can serve to be some sort of an escape, watching me dyeing my hair. But where was I going with that? Oh yeah, point being, I've been feeling kind of like anxious, or like I've been out of my routine, my sleeping routine is all off, and so I haven't done a sit down video in a while. So if I'm a little nervous or a little weird in this video, that's why. But I'm also super happy to be back sitting here filming. Like it does give me a sense of like, I don't know, purpose or drive. So hey, I've missed you guys, or my camera, which I'm currently talking to in real time right now. But today I'm planning on dyeing my hair. Not that that comes as a shocker. I feel like I've dyed my hair so many times on my channel. Like I can link, I'm gonna make a playlist of all the times I've like dyed my hair and put it up here. Also, if you guys are interested in how I did this hair, I will link that up here as well. So I've been hearing about a lot of different ways of dyeing your hair lately because there's actually so many people dyeing their hair. If you don't know, I'm an administrator in this beauty group, and there's so many people doing home bleaching, dyeing their hair hot pink and purple, and to be honest, it's kind of like entertaining, I think, to watch people do, because like, I don't know, everyone's gonna come out either with fucked up hair or with like hot pink and like blue, and ooh. Everyone's just gonna come out like so weird. Like look at my roots right now. Like what I saw some people doing is using purple shampoo as a dye. So basically putting it in your hair and leaving it longer, and I suppose that they probably put it in dry hair. That's what I'm gonna do. I haven't really done any research on this. I'm very much like, I'm just gonna try this. Like, I'm not super attached to my hair. Like, I don't know. Like, if it turns out ugly, it's not even like I'm going anywhere. So I have some more of this blue color that I put on my ends here that I'm gonna put on my ends again, because you can see this blue is fading, and then I might put some pink in my hair again when I'm in the shower. This is just like mixed with conditioner. Anyways, I'm just gonna get going. Yes, I'm gonna switch locations. Okay, so I switched locations. I have all my stuff. I almost said shit. If you're new here, I swear, like, probably an obnoxious amount. So I'm just putting my hair up. And yes, I have hair under my arms, and my self-tan is also fucked up. I am a human being that looks weird sometimes. So I think I forgot to tell you guys that what my plan is to do like the middle part here, like purple. So I'm not doing my whole hair purple, but just like this part. Also, my hair is really fucking bad. Like at the ends, like I need a haircut. Like I don't think I've ever needed a haircut as much as I need a haircut right now. Like it is bad. I just realized I don't have some of the equipment that I need. I'm gonna be right back. So ideally, I would use the brush thingy that people use to dye their hair with, but I can't find mine for the life of me, so I'm also using glass bowls, which I probably shouldn't, but whatever. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Also, by the way, before anyone says anything, my lips are really chapped. Yes, I don't know what's wrong with them. I've tried like everything, but they just are just chapped. They're like, nope, bitch. Ooh. See, I don't think it's a big deal if I get it on the blue part. Well, actually, it'll probably just turn purple if I get it on the blue part. Scratch that. So I'm honestly just gonna continue doing this in all of my hair. I don't think there's any use in filming all of that. So I'll see you guys once I have it all over my hair. Okay, so I'm a mess. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a mess. Me every day. I feel like it's probably gonna end up patchy, but I mean, then again, look at this pink. My pink's patchy. Like, it ain't perfect, okay? But yeah, I put the blue on the ends. I was gonna do it in the shower, like on wet hair, but I decided to just do it now. So I have the blue here and then the purple here, and as you can probably tell, I messed up like several spots. Like the purple kind of went up where it's not supposed to be, but I don't know why I just said but. But, a different but. I kind of was thinking of doing like stripes of purple, or streaks of purple, I think is what that is correct way to say that. Can I talk today? Oh my god. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait another half hour. It's been in there for at least like 20 minutes now, I think. So I'm gonna wait a little bit more, and yeah, I hope it turns out like okay. Yeah, I'll see you guys after my shower. Okay, so it is the next day. I have done some cool makeup, and I don't know, I had fun, okay? I had fun. That being said, I don't know if I see any purple. Maybe I can see like a hint of purple. I'm just looking in the viewfinder. So I realize now as I'm editing it that it actually looks really purple on camera, but in real life my hair looks like pink and blue. Yeah, it didn't exactly work, but that being said, I think the people that I saw that did the like purple shampoo dyeing method had like, you know, white hair like I've had. I'll show you a picture of, I had almost white hair before I dyed it pink and blue. I would suppose that it works better if you do it on a neutral basis. Like I did mine on a pink basis, so I don't know, like there is like a slight, you can see slightly purple. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I also didn't end up dyeing my pinker, which I'm glad, but I think what I should have done is I should have not dyed the blue, because then like the pink is so like faded and like not as out there, and the purple is like barely existent, so maybe if the blue wasn't so blue it would look better. I don't mind it though, like I still think this is cool, like I still like this. I just wanted to see what it would look like with purple like in between. I might still get like actual hair dye to do that. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of that. But yeah, I feel like this was kind of a boring intro, and I have already edited a bunch of this video, and it's actually like pretty short. Like what is happening? I'm Maren, like making a short video. Like hello? Like what is happening in the world? If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love to talk a lot. Anyways, I am perfecting my editing, and I'm constantly learning, honestly, and I am now proving my point of going off on rambles. If you like my video, feel free to give me a thumbs up or consider subscribing to my channel. I have noticed that in my analytics, it says a lot of you guys aren't subscribed, so it's like if you're sticking around, you may as well subscribe. I'm on my way to 1,000. I'm just really looking forward to growing this family, and I don't know, I just want this to be a community of people helping each other, people just raising each other up, and I don't know, I'm pumped. I'm so excited. With that being said, I just want to remind you to be the light that you want to see in the world. Don't let anyone tell you you can't do something you want to do that's positive. Don't murder people. Don't let anyone tell you can't do something positive for the world, or that you're insignificant, because the truth is that you can. We have an impact on every single person we come into contact with, and that's how I want to leave this video. I can't even talk anymore. Bye guys!